Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, I would like you to kill me and smash the subscribe button right about now. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you a Fortnite fix. Okay, Fortnite error. So I was trying to run Fortnite, and unfortunately, I've been getting some issues. Okay, so let me go to the library, and I'm gonna click on Fortnite to launch the application Fortnite, and in a few seconds you will see that it's not gonna run. Okay, I'm gonna get this, the first binary Fortnite game binary, Fortnite client win64, insufficient system resources exist to complete the request service. And then here I get info blocked, Windows Svchost.exe failed to launch game. Okay, so basically I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this. All you gotta do is to exit the Epic Game Launcher. In here, guys, in your search button here in your Windows, type here to search. You wanna write reg edit. Okay, reg edit, and you will be this will pop up. The registry editor will pop up. So you're gonna run this as administrator. Okay, and I'm gonna walk you all what I did, where to find it. Okay, so as you can see, let me show you that. Well, if you're opening this for the first time, then you're gonna browse to hkey_classes_root. Okay, there's a drop down menu here, so you're gonna click on that drop down menu. Okay, here just click anywhere on any folder. Okay, it can be this one, and then on your keyboard just type in exe. Okay, type in exe. Okay, so it will automatically select the exe file. Okay, as you can see, exe folder. So again, there's a drop down menu right to the next to the left hand side. So you're gonna drop it, and you're gonna see default icon shell_X. Okay, so I want you to drop the shell folder as well, and then here you will see 3 other folders, subfolders: open, run as, and run as user. So I want you to drop down the open folder. Okay, here you'll see command. Okay, a command folder. So in the command folder, there are 2 options here: default and isolated command. Okay, and here, as you can see, the data is as you can see, this is a C drive, Windows svchost.com. okay, this is a path, okay, of your Windows SVC host. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna double click on the default, and here all you got is to remove this, the whole C column, /Windows /svchost.com with the space. Okay, so it must look like this. Okay, so as you can see, this is results, what it should look like. So the value data, okay, the value data should look like this. Okay, there's no spaces in those special symbols. Okay, there's not any spaces, and once you're done, all you gotta do is to click OK. Now close this and run your Epic Games launcher. Okay, and now, guys, Fortnite, fingers crossed, Fortnite should be fixed 100%, guys. This Fortnite should be fixed. It should fix all your errors, and you don't need to verify the Fortnite game at all. Okay, and yeah, if you do get another error about Fortnite game.u project, okay, Fortnite game.u project, this method, what I've just shown you, will also fix that Fortnite game.u project error. Okay, so here all you got is to click your library and just click on Fortnite here, and as you can see, it's gonna begin to run. Okay, begin launching. Okay, so I'm just gonna start my MSI Afterburner as well. Okay, oops. Some of Riva tuner server statistics are expired. Shit. What the hell is a Riva tuner server statistics? All right. Okay, so again, we are still waiting for the Fortnite to load here, and in a few seconds, guys, the game should run. Okay, Fortnite should run. Okay, so let's wait for it, and I'm not gonna pause the video to fake this or not. Okay, this is not a fake video, guys. Yes. Alright, so I was saying this is not a fake video, this is a complete true video. As you can see, guys, as you can see for yourself, guys, in front of your eyes, Fortnite is running, and the problem is now fixed. Okay, so all you gotta do from here, well, you don't have to do anything. All you gotta do is to play Fortnite. Okay, so this is gonna fix your problem, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, guys, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and smash up a like button on this video. Okay, smash up a like button on this video, and yeah, well, enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Alright, people, so as you can see for yourself, guys, Fortnite has just started, and boom, voila, guys, that's all. Okay, voila. So this is the results, and it's now connecting to Epic Games server, and as you can see, my the statistics showing my GPU, memory, CPU, RAM, and the average FPS. Okay, also showing. Alright, so as you can see, Fortnite checking up for updates, etc. Okay, alright, so yeah, thanks for watching. It's your boy YASHViR Gaming, and remember to ring that bell notification, hit that smash up button, okay, and also subscribe, okay, and do leave me a comment if this has if this has fixed your problems or not. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna talk real soon, guys. Peace.